Today we're working in a garage. We've come here previously, we've done some work in the house and that was fine to work on, but they wanted some work done, some lighting out the back. But when we come to work in here, we were met with this and it's a bit rubbish. So we've got some stuff to disconnect as well, like an old hot tub circuit, and yeah, it's a bit of a mess. We've got just bits and pieces shooting everywhere, wrong RCDs for the board, and it's just, yeah, a mess. So we're going to be replacing it with a little fuse box board. Just going to be putting some MCBs in there because it's actually RCD protected at the house end and there's no way of moving it over to put RCBOs in here, so that's fine. So I'm just going to get cracking and get this off the wall. Got the old board off the wall, got the new one sat on there. Got a new gland on the cable instead of just having that earth clamp on there, so that's just going to go into the bottom there, and we'll get a bit of trunking up to hide those cables there as well, and we're going to run a bit of trunking up to so we can join these inside the cable and bring some new ones in, and then we can connect all this back in. We've got the mains back in now, got the lid on, just bolted the earth down there and I've tested it. We've got a good earth coming in, so that's happy days. Just starting to join these old cables now and put new ones in. I've been into the house and I've tested the house end down to here and everything's fine, so I'm slowly doing the testing as I'm putting them in and everything seems okay. So we're just cracking on. Tray seating next, probably just join that back in the trunking again. Just working through it. That's the consumer unit back together. It's all labelled up. Got the labels there, what everything's doing. A lot better than what it was before. I've just got to go now round the back and put in an extra light. So let's go around there and have a look. We're around the back of the shed now, or around the back of the garage. So what they want is, they want a light here to shine up around here, but they come round from this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a sensor there and the light there, so then it'll pick them up nicely walking through here. And that's our socket circuit there, but it's got a 5 amp fuse in there and that does the lights. So we're just going to come out of there on the 5 amp side, on the load side, sensor out, around, light. Job done. Here's our little sensor, little Challenger slimline 180° PIR. Got a hole in. Another hole there, and we're just going to wire between it. We've got our cables in. Only took about 10 minutes, so let's just chuck this sensor on and get the light up. That's the lights back on, everything done and dusted, and that wraps this job up.